Hi, I'm Mark Oxlade. Today we're going to talk about lasers. ABB's been working in the industry for many years now, in the tier ones, the automotive, and we've gained a great deal of experience. What we've learned over the years are the processes and how they've evolved, and this technology can now be adapted in everyday use in general industry. Today we'd like to talk about four major areas in the laser field. That will be primarily the welding, traditional, laser hybrid, where you have the introduction of GMAW steels and exotic materials, cutting, and also roller hemming. That's the use of the laser as a heat source before bending. So what does laser technology bring to the table? Well, there's a lot of materials out there, aluminium, copper, titanium. They're very difficult to weld. The high impact, high laser intensity enables these kind of processes to be welded. When using lasers, aesthetics play a great deal. The kind of weld you're going to get from a laser joint is going to look exceptionally attractive to your customers, to your process, and it enables a very high quality product to be produced when using lasers. When you join MIG welding process with laser, known as hybrid, you're introducing a high intensity arc to cause deep penetration, good fusion, and you're backfilling with a wire appropriate to the materials. The benefits of hybrid laser means you can get a deep penetration, high fusion, and high speeds with high quality. These kinds of welds are used in exotic materials, joining dissimilar materials, pipe work, pipe industries. We have very deep, narrow joints with large fill requirements, then laser hybrid works extremely well. So the use of lasers in cutting, this gives you very good quality on the cut edge. You get very high speeds. When you produce things and program them offline in 3D in Robot Studio, then you can basically program anything. So it's a free-form scenario. So where would you use this technology? Hydroforming parts are very irregular, unusual shapes. So you can cut a perfectly good round circle on a tangential edge. The use of laser for forming materials is becoming more commonplace. We can apply heat before you bend the material, an example being magnesium when you're roller hemming. Other materials can be heated. You can use it for preheating and cutting as well, for exchange very difficult materials that require high speeds. If you heat it with a laser before you cut it, then you get exceptionally good results. Here at ABB in Auburn Hills, we have laboratories which we use, and we love to do tests and trials. So if you've got a particular application you'd like to look at it, we'd be happy to try it out, test it for you, and give you some good results.